We are demilitarizing the judiciary, not to command justice. You understand what I mean by command justice? Right? Makotsi edu ari kuita sekuti ari captured. Hatizivi kuti akepchiwa nani, but chatoziva ndechekuti they seem not to be dispensing justice at all. They just zvatoda toni isusu zvichiitika kuti proper procedures ekukoti anofollowewa, not kuti kasvika kucriminal court shuwa nyaya inonzi inofanira kutopera kana within 10 days kana 5 days. Things should just follow the procedures that are provided by the law. Not all that is happening. So we want there to be a separation of powers. It should be clear that the executive is separate from the judiciary and all those things. It all draws down to the issue of separation of powers. As far as the executive, the judiciary and the legislature, they are now one thing. There should be a clear separation in terms of the law. In the advocate Joshua John Chirambwe. Thank you.